Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to commit a file using Get, a code versioning software. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing my videos, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I'm already logged in my Bitbucket account, and then I created a project here, free source codes, and then a repository called demo. Now, first thing first that I will do is to clone our repository. So I will go in a folder here, get demo, and then right click. I will open here, select get bash here. Okay, so we have here the master branch. Okay, let's go back to here to our get bucket. In our repository demo, there is a button here called clone. Just click this one and then copy. Click this copy. Okay, going back to our get bash command line, right click and then we paste and then press the enter key. It will clone the remote branch into our local machine. So we have already here the demo folder. It is empty. So going back here, ls we display and then we enter to our demo, cd demo, no file. Using a Linux or Unix command, we will create a file, touch, let's say for example readme.txt. It will create a file. Okay, here we go. It is empty now, just a file. Let's say double click, this is a file, save. Okay, after that to commit, we get the get status first. Okay, so right now we have our branch master. We have still untracked file because it is not yet committed. So when we say commit, we are preparing the file to be saved in our remote repository. So get space to add and then readme.txt. Press the enter key from our keyboard. So we issue a get status to check it is already changed. New file, readme, changes to be committed. So to commit, get commit -m. We have to put a comment here or else it will open an editor. Initial commit, close double quotation, open and close quotation, press enter key. So as we can see, it is already committed. Okay, but still the file is in our current local machine, current folder. So when we get status, okay, so there's nothing to commit, working in tree clean, because we have already one file that is being committed. Okay, so that's it. We were able to commit a file using get. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to commit a file using get. Okay, so in the previous video I show you how to push the file. So it is not a scope of our tutorial right now, but you can see, in the previous video about how I create a repository and push a file. But I will create a separate video on how to push the file so that it will be saved in our repository. So if you have some questions, clarification, just leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.